Well, I'm imagining this is 10 millimeter. I'm excited that most of these pieces on here appear to be the originals. They really haven't been messed with much. What do we got over here? This is just plastic. Okay. I'll grab the other side, and then I'll obviously get something to try to restore this back to black after I clean this. Okay. Let's see what we got. Can't see behind there. There we go. It's dirty, but it's not too bad. A couple of 10 millimeters. Looks to be in reasonable condition. I removed these plastic trim bits and washed them just with some Dawn soap, dish soap, and then water, and rinsed them off. I let them dry overnight. I have a product that I'm going to try on them. Before I do that though, I'm just going to grab a carpet knife and smooth out any, I don't know if you can see that. See how there's just like this high spot here. There's some imperfections on this one too, just little bits and kind of things that have dug in and raised up the plastic. I'm just going to clean all that up. This has a couple of pieces up here. There's like a little bit that's sticking up over here. I'm just going to go around and trim and smooth all of those things, and then they'll be ready. Picked up this product, comes in a box. It's just a 10-pack of these applicators, Cerakote. I think it was like 15 bucks on Amazon for 10 of these wipes. It's pretty small, actually. I just want to show you the full size of this. That's the whole size of this. Where this is the biggest surface, I guess I'm just going to start here, and here we go. Smooth, linear passes. Trying to get into these grooves. This is covering pretty well. In these grooves is going to be tricky. I think what I'll do is I'm going to do them sideways and do the other side, and that should get this covered. This will be easy. If you want to give this a bit more of a matte look, get a microfiber cloth and then give it a pass to basically, I guess, remove a little bit of the material or flatten it a little bit, and that will give you a bit of a matte finish. So we'll see if this works. Here's how these parts came out now that they're totally dry. I'm going to bring this over to the sun so you can see, because maybe I'll bring one of these. It definitely still maintains a very shiny look. Let me get it in the sun so you can really see. It still looks wet even though it's completely dry, which is probably why they recommend, if this is too shiny for you, this sort of wet appearance, to knock it down with a cloth. They certainly look better than they did when I took them off. Some people say they had problems with streaks and things. I didn't really have that problem. I just went really slowly. If you go too quickly, it did, and lift the, if you go too quickly and lift the pad, I did find that it would sometimes leave a few, I don't know, a couple of little bubbles or something. But as long as you used a smooth, slow application, I didn't find it to streak or anything too much. So anyway, that's that for these, and then we'll get back to some other parts of the project. I hope to get it running soon and have a chance to ride it around. But overall, pleased with the result.